And then the last area that I wanted to show you, Carla, is our reporting section. So we kind of begin reports by looking at these 4 different dimensions of data. So participants would be everybody who's in the system. It could be all of your youth athletes, it could be your board members, it could be your coaches, it could be referees. I mean, it could be a bunch of different types of participants, and all of them are in your system, and you have an ability to really report on them. And you can narrow it down using these filter capabilities. You also can look at reporting from a registrations perspective. So who are all the recent registrants that we want to take a look at? And again, you can use the filtering box. I've got 91 rows of data of all the registrants that are in my demo system. And maybe I want to narrow that down. I want to, let's see here. I want to look at registrants between just this quarter. See what I get. And now I've only got 3 out of that 91 is who's gone through a registration this quarter. Once you've filtered down to the appropriate rows of data that you were really looking to find, we have an export function. And that export basically dumps the data into an Excel spreadsheet, and it allows you to use the power of Excel to manipulate the data further. You can change the order of the columns. You can put in a summary figure to actually understand how much total dollars came in. You can really use the power of Excel to do all the things that Excel does. No need for us to reinvent that wheel because it's already there in Excel. Not going to save that report. In addition to that, you notice that there were many different columns of data that were included in that report. We give you the ability to create a new reporting structure. So again, you might only want to have 5 columns of data. So you can come in here and select exactly which columns of data you wanted. And then you can actually save that as a new type of report that you would use over and over again. You would define that as a new definition for reporting. So again, super easy to customize the reporting to just what your organization needs. There's payment information as well, maybe reconciling against your credit card statements that would come in from the merchant bank, showing you all the revenue. And then the last dimension here for reporting is all of the practices. So some pretty robust reporting capabilities in our system.